Guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your Facebook page public. Now, for some reasons you may be wondering if your Facebook page is public or not. Maybe because some people are complaining they can't find your Facebook page on Facebook, or you're not getting enough followers like you want. Now, it may be because your Facebook page is actually private, and when it's private, people can find your Facebook page on Facebook, and only those people who have roles on your Facebook page, like the page admins, can have access to the page. So if you want to make your Facebook page private, I will show you in this video. Now, for you to do that, you have to click on this settings button at the top right corner of your screen, and then you're going to see general settings. Go ahead and click on general settings, and then you're going to find publish your page at the top of your screen. Now, once you click publish your page, your Facebook page will be automatically public. But if you come to your general settings and then you click on it and then you find unpublish your page here, it simply means that your Facebook page is already public and you don't need to make it public when it's public. But if you see publish your page, it means that your Facebook page is private and you need to publish it by clicking on publish your page, and then it will be automatically public. And then you can now see unpublish your page at the bottom of your screen now. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Thanks, and